Hi guys, today we'll be deploying this beautiful website for our milestone in ALX. A simple portfolio website which has your bio, your elevator pitch, and your portfolio. And your portfolio which has a link to your YouTube URL and also a link to your slide deck. So come on, let's do this. First thing I'm going to do is to go to wix.com, then click sign up. I already have an account, so I'll be logging into that. Click on create new site. This prompt doesn't appear for new accounts, but if you do see it, click on Wix. Search for the website you're trying to create, in this case, portfolio, and choose a name for your website. You will uncheck Instagram feed and click on next. Click on go to dashboard. Then go to Sites and App. Select Website and click on Design Site. Click on Pick a template and select any template of your choice. I like this, so I'll click on Edit. Now, a prompt will come up asking you to let AI write your content. You may choose to do this or ignore. I will not ignore, however, you should. ALX recommend you ignore. I'm just going to write in a few things here. I'll edit this write up by clicking on it and removing the text I don't want. You can edit it as you see fit. Put your full name and your professional title. Now we'll scroll up to the menu. Now this is the menu. It is very important here. If your template doesn't have it, no need to fret. I'm deleting mine, and at the left side you will see add element button. Add menu and anchor and select the design you like. Click on manage menu. Let's edit this. I'll change these to bio, elevator pitch, and portfolio. We will come back to this later. Go to add section and select a nice looking about page. This will be our bio. Press the arrow on the right to move it down, then click on section to change the name to bio and edit your page as you see fit. Click on an item you don't want to be on your about page and press delete, or right click and select delete. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, next we'll be adding another about section for our elevator pitch. Pick anyone you fancy. Click on the arrow to drag it down and edit it as you see fit. Next, we'll be adding a portfolio page. You can use any template of your choice, but I'll be going to the subscribe section and choosing an option or a template from there. You can also drag and drop your section instead of moving it down. Then edit it as you see fit. It is okay if you pick a section without button. I'll delete my button and show you how to create one. Go to add elements, click on button and choose any button of your choice. then adjust the size. As easy as that. Then click on it and click on change text and icon, and then we'll change the text on it to view portfolio. And for our link, let's just leave that for now. So open Google in a new tab and then go to this menu and select slides. Now this is Google Slides, so look for a template, and I'm just going to select this one here because I like it, and then I'll edit this slide. And so in this slide, I'm going to put the link to my video URL and my slide URL. If you've forgotten it, just go to your milestone 10 and then check it. So just edit it and type in the text that you want to. I copied and pasted the link. Okay, after typing your text, highlight here and then click on three dots icon and click on link, and then paste in the link which you want to use. Do the same for the slide URL link, and then edit your document as you see fit. Just try and make it look fine, but it's not compulsory. Then after that, we'll delete the other slides, and then we'll download it as a PDF. Make sure you check your link is working even after you download it. Just click on your link and check that everything is working out well. My internet was a bit slow, but the slide link is working. So I'll go back to the Wix website. On the button, click on choose a link, go to document and choose file. So we'll be uploading the document that we just downloaded. Okay, so let's go back and edit our bio, and we'll click on this picture. We can change it and put ours. Don't forget your full name should be here. Now go to the top and then delete all the things we do not want, and then we edit the section names to what we want: bio, elevator pitch, portfolio, however you want to name it. Click on menu and click on manage menu, then click on home, then click the link symbol at the bottom. Section or anchor, which page? Home. Section, the section we gave it earlier, then click done. Edit the title welcome to home, but don't delete the original home. If you do, all our work will be deleted. However, you can press Ctrl Z to get it back. Then go to bio, click on the link icon, page is home, and section is bio. Click on done and do the same for the rest. Now that that's done, let's delete the other pages that we don't need. So first start with the bio. You notice that the pages we don't need, the symbols, that is the icons, are different. So we just delete those ones with different icons. The anchor icons should all look the same. Okay, so now that we're done with that, let's preview our website and check it out. Looking good, looking good. All the links are working. Make sure you check that. So click on publish and let's publish this site. Okay, so click on view site and then let's view the site. We click on the link bio. Yeah, everything is working. But my only problem is that this nav bar doesn't stay at the top. So let's go change that. So click on header, three dots, change header design, and then select a header design of your choice with a background. I'm choosing this black one. Click on header again, then header scroll settings and select freeze. And we are done. We'll save and preview. Okay, so this is how it looks now. The header is not moving, but there's a problem. This home page keeps being highlighted, so let's change that. We go back to editor and then our nav bar, manage menu, and home will create a link called home, and then we'll link it to our section which is on the home page and called welcome, then done. Then instead of deleting the original home page link, we will hide it. On second thought, I think I like the name better as home instead of home page. So I'll just change that to home. And when we are done, we'll publish it. Now let's check it out. We are almost done. Next thing we're going to do is open a new tab and then search for bit.ly and we'll paste in our link here. Your back half should be your name or surname, then sign up and get your link. If you're like me and you already have an account, when you go in, click on links and then click on hidden, then create a short link and then paste in your link and type in your title and your surname and your first name and you're done with that. Whoosh! Copy and paste the link here and this is it. Please, this video took a lot of time to make. I would really appreciate it if you like and subscribe. Thank you.